Hi guys and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to add Music Bot to Discord server. To start, open your internet browser in your desktop. On your internet browser, search for top.gg. On top.gg's browser or website, use the search bar this time, and then in here, search for Green Bot. After the search results are out, this time scroll down. Then look for Green-Bot. As you can see, it says Discord Music Bot. In here, select the button that says Invite. You will now be redirected to Discord. Wait for the browser or the website to finish loading this time. Then in here, you will need to select which server you want to add Green-Bot over to. In here, just make sure you check everything and then select Authorize on the bottom right. Wait for the website to finish loading once again. After loading, you will now be redirected to discord.com once again and it will say Authorized. That means GreenBot is now added to your Discord server. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.